I still call BS. This isn't real trading. I said what I said. It's my opinion. I think you're gambling. Binary options really are scammy. Price action doesn't really apply, and the feed is phony. I've been there, done that. I do trade using price action and real feeds from COMEX. You get too upset, like you have a lot to hide. So I'll let you hide your stuff. In my opinion, I think you're scammy too. Probably don't even have a merchant account. That is what at 𝐬𝐸𝐸808 said 8 days ago. Well, we're going to jump in and let's go find some trades. All right, so Heiken-Ashi, 15 seconds, enable timer. All of our indicators are on here, and you can use the link down in the description to go access this free course to teach you exactly what I am showing you. All right, we have $1,000 per trade, and we're going to use a couple different methods here. A couple different strategies. CCI up, Williams down. CCI up, Williams down. CCI down, Williams up. The spillover, the broken heel, and I don't know, a couple other ones. All right, I already have all of my assets here at the top, and we are gonna get rolling. Sometimes people just get their panties in a bunch. Seriously. And here is trade number 1. So that means that if it came up here and it touched this top trend line, that we would actually take a sell for 5 seconds, but it didn't. You can also see that when it comes here, we will probably have a reversal, and we did. Look at that. All right. All right, if this busts through, we're going to take a reversal, and we got our money back on that one, and we got profit on the second one. All right, let's catch these really quick. And that's just how you do it. But I can't stay still. The journey calls, and I found my will. And look at that, look at that, look at that. How did I know? Well, look at the CCI. CCI is down. Look at the Williams. Williams is down. Look at that. Boom, bada, boom, boom, boom. And we got some more. So you can call this scammy, spammy, hammy. You can call it whatever you want to call it. Does it work? Yes, it works. Works every day, all day. And I just proved it to you. So if you want to learn how to do it, great. I teach you. You want to jump into Telegram? Great. I show you how it works in here. I post in here every single day. And all you got to do is check it out. Trade with Kristen. Oh yeah, by the way, make sure you smash that like, because I just showed you some straight awesome sauce, okay? Smash that like, subscribe if you haven't done so, because yeah, I know you want to learn this, my friend. Look at that, there's only 3 losses, the rest are all wins. So say what you want to say. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie.